So welcome back traders to another exciting live stream. Welcome to the channel. If you're a new viewer, you're all welcome. We are currently on the gold chart on the 4-hour time frame, and the analysis on this was we mark out this level from the 4-hour time frame because we have seen from the previous behavior there are multiple weak rejection. Whenever price get to the level, we see a reaction. So I think this is a very strong support level. That was why we mark out this level. And if you were on the live stream in the morning, that was when we marked the level. The market was ranging, it was moving sideways. So we finally had a break of that level. If you scale down to the 1-hour time frame, you can see the break. So here was the break of that level. This is the strong bearish candle. We broke the level, price closed below the level. Then we suddenly had a retest of that level. This candle, we have a retest of that level, and this is the continuation down. As you know, the market moves in 3 phases. We have the push phase, the exhaustion, and the continuation. So this is a continuation. We expect price to come back to some of these lows. So our stop loss is safely above the last week. They're above the level, above the weak area. So I'm just waiting for price to continue its bearish move down. Remember, the trend is down. Once this level has been violated, there's a strong chance price is going to continue down, because price came to this level several times and failed to break. I suddenly had a break now, so there's a high probability we are going down. So let's see. We are almost at the 1-to-1. I'm risking, I have a 3.5 pip, yeah, the 3.5 pip stop loss. So I'm just waiting for us to get a 1-to-1 before I'll go break even. Let's see, if price get to this level, that's a 1-to-1. I can safely go break even and remove the risks from the trade. So if you have any question, you can always chat me up on WhatsApp. Check out the video description. There's a WhatsApp link there. I'll respond to you as soon as possible. So we're just waiting. Oh, sorry about that. So we are almost at our break even level. We are soon going to set our trades to break even and remove the risks from the trade. Let's see. We are almost at break even now. So I think we have gotten to break even. Let me safely remove the risks from the trade and set our trade to break even. So I'm setting our trade to break even. I think we got a 1-to-1. So we are currently at break even. We have set our trades at break even. So we have removed the risks from the trade. We're just now waiting for the market to keep going down. So it doesn't matter if price pull back on us and stop us out at break even. We'll first focus on our risks before the reward. So I've removed the risks from the trade. So we have a free trade running right now. And we are currently in profit. I'm not closing the trade anytime sooner. I'm holding the trade because price is going down. There's no doubt price is going down. So I'm holding this trade. And if you're just joining us, you haven't liked the video, live stream, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, you should subscribe so that you get notified whenever we're having these live streams. There's a lot to be learned. Share with you Forex trading tips and strategies. So thank you, really appreciate. It takes you a second to like and subscribe if you haven't, but it does a lot more for the channel. So we're in a good spot right now. Price is doing what we expect. Price is pushing down. Remember the analysis I said? This was the level we drew in the morning during the pre-London Open. Price was consolidating, wasn't breaking above or below. Price was moving sideways, and suddenly we had this strong bearish close. When we scaled down to the 1 hour time frame, we saw the strong bearish candle close. Then immediately after the candle close, here was the retest or the exhaustion, the retest of that level. As you can see, price did not break back into. It left a huge weak rejection and it closed below the level. Then this is our continuation now down. We are trading with the trend. Always try to trade with the trend, don't go against it. We are almost at 1.5% risk to reward. Remember, we have set our trade to break even right now, so we have a free trade running. So the minimum I'm closing out of the trade is 2%. As when price gets to 2,000, that's when I'm closing. That's a 1-to-2. The reason why I'm closing it that early because of these 2 week rejections. I figure maybe there is a strong support level around this area. Because this, look at this wicks, look at the wick. So I'm concerned about this level. So if we can get 1 to 2 risks to reward, that's a 2% up in profit. I'm closing the trade, but for now I'm holding it If I get a 1 to 2, I'm closing the trade. We have a lot of viewers but 0 likes. How is it possible? You guys are the reason why I keep doing these streams. It does a lot more for the channel and it helps push out the content to more people. So you can do me a favor, it takes you a second. If I gain any value, if you like the stream, subscribe if you are a new viewer, so that I get notified whenever we have this daily live stream from Monday to Fridays, through the pre-London and the New York session. So thank you for the support, thank you for the likes. You can see the likes is going up. Remember, if you have any question, you can chat me up. Check out the live stream video description. It's a WhatsApp link. I use the WhatsApp link because I can respond to you faster using the WhatsApp link. So you can text your question or request and I'll respond to you as soon as possible. Remember, we currently set our trade to break even. So we have 0 risks on this trade right now. We focus on our risks first. So it's time to set our reward. Let's set our take profit. That's our strategy. We first eliminate the risks before we start focusing on our reward. That's how we trade. So I think our TP, I say I'm going for a 1 to 2 because I'm concerned about these weak areas. So I'm going for a 1 to 2. If I can get that, I think that will be a good day. 24.91. Let's set our TP. Thank you guys for the likes. You can see many viewers. The likes is going up. It takes you a second, but it does a lot more for the channel. Really appreciate. If you are a new viewer, you should consider liking the video, subscribing, so that you get notified whenever we're having these live streams. So price is really pushing down. We have the 1 to 2 right now. Risk to reward. I'm getting greedy. I have a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Price is almost at our TP and almost hit our TP. That's a 1 to 3. Almost at a 1 to 3. Still need price to push a little bit down to get our 1 to 3 risk to reward. The reason why our TP is here is because of these wicks. I'm concerned about this wick rejection. It seems there's a strong support level around here. But if I can get a 1 to 3, yeah, closing the trade. We almost got that 1 to 3. I'm still holding it. Price is still going down. Thank you for the views. If you haven't subscribed, you should subscribe to the channel. There's a lot to be learned here. We share with you tips on how to pass your challenges and forex trading strategies. So I think we can scale into profit right now. Our trade is in break even. So I think we can scale into profits and we can trail our stop loss into profits so that we don't lose all this move when price pull back. Remember, your risk to reward is your edge in the market. You don't want to be closing your trade early just because price is moving in your direction. And you can imagine when you're having a losing trade, you hold it you'll hold it more than enough longer. But when you're having a winning trade, we get afraid and close our trade very early. So that's the discipline we are trying. We're trying to discipline ourselves to hold our trade longer, because it's your risk to reward and your risk management that will be a key part for your long-term success in Forex. We all have the same emotions. I feel the same emotion when price is pulling back on me, when I'm in profit like this. But I'm just trying to discipline myself, because I know this is my edge in the market. It's my risk to reward. If I make a 1 to 3 risk to reward and I lost 1%, I'm still up 2%. So that's your edge in the market. So we're almost at our TP. I'm patient enough. I'm going to wait for it. That's a 1 to 3. If the price hit our TP, that's a 1 to 3. So I think that will be a good trade to hit a 1 to 3 today. It will be a successful day. Let's see if we can get that. And traders, you see what I mean? When price gets to this level, it seems there's a strong resistance. There's a strong support around this area. But let's see. We still have high hopes for this trade. Let's see how it plays out. But I'm holding it until price hits our TP. And that's how we trade. Remember, if you have any questions, you can chat me up. Check out the video description. Chat me up on WhatsApp. I respond faster using the WhatsApp link. And if you want to be part of our Telegram trading community, chat me up. I can send you the link, or check out our page, our YouTube page. There's a link there. You can join the Telegram group, share Forex signals and strategies and tips on how to scale up your trading career or journey. So price is currently pulling back. We are not faced. We are still holding the trade. Still holding the trade. Thank you guys for the likes. I want you guys to push the like to 10 likes. I'll be really happy. I need 10 likes. It takes you a second to do that. I'll really appreciate if you do that for me. It does a lot more for the channel. And you guys are the reason why I keep doing this live stream every day. I know that if 1 or 2 of you can benefit from this, that's all I need. That's all I care about. Just need price to push a little bit down. Price came back, but I don't know why. Our take profit wasn't triggering. Let's see, let's wait. Well, trading is 90% waiting and planning, and only 10% execution of that plan. And as I always say, learn to always take your trades at key levels. If you have been trading with me, you will understand that. You will notice we always take our trades at key levels. We never take trades in the middle, only take trade at key levels. That's where your high probability trades are going to come from, at key levels. So that's another tip. I keep sharing this same tip in all my live streams. It's very important. Always try to take your trade at key levels. That's where you get a high probability trade. just need price to push a little bit down to trigger our take profit, so that we'll be out of this trade and we'll be laughing all the way to the bank. Our price is having difficulty pushing down. I guess because of these weak rejections. Like there's a strong support level around this area. But let's see what happens. I haven't trailed our stop loss into profit, but we have removed the risks from the trade. I think I can. Let me trail the stop loss so that we'll not lose all this move when price pull back on us. Let me trail it to this level, 498. So I've trailed our stop loss into slight profit. Trail our stop loss into slight profit. So we're almost at our take profit right now. We're almost at our take profit. We just need price to push a little bit down to trigger us in, and we'll be having a 1 to 3 risk to reward, and that's it. I don't know why it wasn't triggering. I think I'll be closing it manually. I don't know why it wasn't triggered. I'll be closing this manually, and there you have it. It's a 1 to 3 risk to reward. We risked 1,000, we made 3,000, and price just keep flying down. So if you are still on the trade, you can still hold it. I guess this level doesn't matter again. Price is pushing down, and what you don't want to be doing is getting greedy in the market. Once you enter the market, know when to get out. I don't want to get greedy and hold it for a 1 to 4, 1 to 5. I said I was going for a 1 to 2 initially, and when I saw the momentum kicked in, I went for a 1 to 3, and there you have it. Imagine you have these 2 trades. You take only these 2 trades per week. I think you'll be in a safe place to pass your 100k challenge, evaluation phase. If you take this trade like this, I don't think you will have a problem. So it's as easy as you can pass your profit challenge in a week by just following a simple key principles, and price just keep pushing down. So that's how you trade gold. Thank you guys for the likes. If you are new to the channel, you can like the video, subscribe to the channel. We have this live stream every day. We trade the stock market for 2 hours. We share tips on how to take a profit challenge, and for our proven approach, how we approach the market, how we draw our support and resistance level. So thank you for the likes. We have 10 likes. It does a lot more for the channel's growth. Thank you a lot. So I want to be checking other pairs right now. So if you currently took the sale with us, I think you should be planning on getting out of the market now, because remember, after any strong push phase like this, price is going to pull back. It's going to pull back before a continuation down. So if you are currently in the sale, you should start planning on trailing your stop loss into profit, or plan to get out of the market, because once this push phase ends, price is going to push to around 50% of the candle before a continuation down, because the trend is down. So if you haven't taken your profit now, do that now, because price is going to pull back very soon. Let me minimize and check other pairs. Let's check on the pound JPY if you have a trade there. And remember the analysis on the gold. If you haven't been with us when we started the live stream, this was the level we drew during the pre-London Open from the 4-hour time frame. We saw multiple week rejections. That multiple week rejection, so we determined this as a strong support area in the market. So we drew the level during the pre-London Open because the market was just moving sideways, was consolidating. So before the New York Open, we had a break. When we scaled down to the 1 hour, we saw this strong candle close, this bearish candle close below the level. So this was the break, and here was a pullback. Here was this bullish pullback, and this was where we entered the trade after the pullback. The price just keep pushing down as we anticipated. So price is still pushing down. You don't want to get greedy. Have a plan, stick to it. That's how you make your money. So I'm laughing all the way to the bank today. Today's gold trade was a banger. It was a no-brainer. If you understand the basics on how the market moves, this shouldn't be hard. This shouldn't be a hard trade for you to take. And I want you to learn how to simplify your trade. Don't fill your charts with a lot of indicators, and don't fill your chart with indicators. Don't clutter your charts. Simplify your charts. Forex trading is not hard, but once you start using different indicators and strategy, that's where you make it difficult for yourself. Just remove all the distractions and clean your chart. The only thing on your chart should be your support and resistance level. That's all you need. Once you have drawn this level, that's all you need on your chart. You don't need many indicators on your chart. They are all distraction. So I think the pullback is happening now. See, price is pulling back. So remember, after the live stream, if you have any questions, you can chat me up. Check out the video description. There's a WhatsApp link. If you have any question, I can answer you as soon as possible, and that's why I use the WhatsApp link. And we have a trading community. If you are interested, can join our trading community. We share forex signals, and we share strategy and some key tips to keep in mind whenever you are taking a prop firm challenge, or you are about to, or if you are trying to scale up a small account, $150,000, $200 account. Can share with you the tips, the lot sizing, the risk management, the pairs you need to be trading when you are taking these challenges. So thank you. I can see the likes is going up. I really appreciate you guys. You guys have been really supportive. It does a lot more for the channel, and it shows me that you guys are gaining value from the video, and that is why I'm going to keep doing it. So price is just pushing down right now. So I think let me draw out this level. can mark this level out because of this weak rejection here. So I can mark out this level like this. If price continues down, then the next stop I think will be this level down here. So let me draw that too. So if price break this level and continue down, there's a high probability we are coming down to this level, because as you can see there's clean traffic here. We don't have any problem at this side. So once this weak rejection area has been cleared, there's a high probability we are coming back down to these levels. So let's see if price is going to break this area, or is this level is going to hold. We drew out this level because of this weak rejections. So let's see what happens, if price is going to close below strong or still going to leave a weak rejection like this. So let's see what happens. I'm just being patient. Let's see what happens. Remember, all we are doing is following what the market is saying. We are not going against the trend. We understand that the trend is down, so we're only looking for sales. We are not looking for buys. So never go against the trend. Always do what the market tells you. Don't start looking for buys here. Don't start looking for buys. I keep repeating it. Wait until price starts showing us signs that it's failing to break below through multiple weak rejections or whatever evidence we are looking for. But don't just start looking for buys now, saying that the market has pushed, so it's now to buy the market. No. We draw out this level because of this weak rejection. Just want to see if this level is going to hold, or the level is going to be violated for price to continue back down to this low. So don't buy yet. We're just waiting. It's not about being the first to get into a buy or a sell. Being a second on it or a third is okay in Forex. As long as you are making money, you don't need to be the first to take a buy. So we are waiting. Just be patient. Let's scale down to see the behavior. As you can see, it seems that's a strong support area. Let's see what happens, if price is going to break it or hold the level. If you're on the live stream, you are a new viewer, you haven't subscribed, you should subscribe to the channel. There's a lot to be learned. There's a lot of more value to be gained, so you don't want to miss out. If you haven't liked the stream, like, subscribe. If you have any question, you can chat with me directly through the WhatsApp link in the video description, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So as you can see, this is the reason why I don't want to be jumping into a buy immediately. Don't want to be jumping into a buy. Let's wait and see if this level is going to break or hold before we determine what we are going to do here. Don't need to rush into a trade at key levels. Wait for the evidence. And as you can see, we are only risking 1% of our account. So we risk 1%, we gain 3%. This is a fixed lot size. We don't change our lot size. This is a fixed lot size. So as you keep trading with us, you will understand all this. You will understand the basic principle, the lot sizing, It's a 100k account. So we risk 1,000, we made 3,000. That's what you need to be trading. Only risk 1% of your overall account size. Only risk 1%. Don't go above it. Unless you are in profit and you have a good risk management, then you can risk 1.5, 1.5% of your account. So you see what we said? One price to break that level, one price to break this level, to close below. But if price retrace it, move and leave a wick like this, then we can start telling ourselves, we can start seeing how the story builds up. We can identify this as a strong support, and the way we can trade this, we can set a sell stop below the level to only get triggered when price start pushing down, or we can just simply wait to get more evidence of failing to break below before we can start considering taking a buy. But right now the trend is still down. We are not doing anything, we are just waiting for more evidence. That's all we are doing. Remember, this is a high volatile period, high volume period, so there's a lot of volume in the market. So if this level is going, if this is a strong level, we don't expect price to break it. Our price is breaking that level right now, which is good because the trend is down. Let's see what happens. Remember, after any strong move like this, let me use them. After any strong move like this, price always come back to 50% retracement before a continuation down. I keep telling you guys, this is the way the market moves. Most of you already know this. The market moves in 3 phases. When the market is pushing down, we have the push phase. After each push phase, we get the retest or a pullback or an exhaustion, whichever way one you call it. Pullback, exhaustion. Then before we can get a continuation in that direction, which in this case is down. So this is the 3 phase of the market. This is the 3 phase of how the market moves. After the push phase, so this is currently the push phase. The market is in a push phase. So after the push phase, what we'll get is a pullback. Price will pull back, have a slight pullback before we can get a continuation down. So we are not taking any trade in a push phase. All we are doing is waiting, and that's one of the rules. Never take a trade in a push phase. So we want to see when this push phase is going to end and when the pullback is going to start. Remember, after the pullback, that's where we are going to be entering our sells. We are not taking any sell now because there is a high probability price is going to pull back and stop you out. So don't take any sell now. Wait for the push phase to end and for the pullback to happen before a continuation down. So that's our plan. Thank you guys for the likes. If you're just joining us, you haven't subscribed, you should subscribe to the channel and like the video. We have this live stream every day. We trade for 2 hours each day. We trade the pre-London Open and the New York session. We show you tips on how to get into the market, how to identify good and high probability setups, and to prioritize quality over quantity. We share with you how to the lot sizing and risk management you need when you are taking a prop firm challenge or evaluations. So there's a lot to be learned, there's a lot of value. Subscribe, stick to us every day. You get a notification whenever we're having this live stream. There's a lot to be learned. So price is still lingering around this level. We are not doing anything right now. What we are doing is waiting to see what happens. And as I always said, there's a WhatsApp link in the video description. If you have any question or you want to speak to me directly, you can chat me up. I use the WhatsApp link because I can respond to you faster. So if you have any question after the live stream, you can text me and I'll respond to you as soon as possible. And we also have a Telegram group, Telegram community group, Telegram trading group, where we share insights. If you want to join, I can also chat me up or check out our page or YouTube page. You can join, the link is there, you can join it. So I think the pullback is happening now. Let me scale down. Let's use the 30-minute time frame. So I think the pullback is happening right now. Pullback is now happening. So we expect price to pull back to some of this level. After the pullback, that's when we are going to get a continuation down, because the overall momentum of the market is down. So after the pullback, we expect price to continue down. So the pullback is happening right now. So we have 18 likes. Thank you guys. I know we can get up to 20 likes on this stream. You guys have been amazing. We have a lot of viewers. I know you guys can do better. Let's push it to 20 likes. Thank you a lot. It does a lot more for the channel. Shows me that you guys are gaining value from these streams, and it encourages me to keep doing this every day. So thank you guys. You guys have been wonderful. Thank you for the likes and the subscriptions. We have a lot of subscribers. Thank you. Just want to share our knowledge. Alright, so we are entering the pullback phase right now. This is the pullback phase. So price is pulling back, and remember, after each push phase we have the pullback, then the continuation is the last phase. So this is a pullback. You can only see this pullback when you scale down to your lower time frame, because this is a 4-hour time candle. This is a 4-hour time frame, that's why you won't see it clearly. But when you scale down to the 15 minutes, here you will see the pullback happening. So this is what we identify as the pullback. So after the pullback, I'm going to get a continuation down in accordance with the overall momentum of the trend, which is down. So the pullback is happening. So the pullback is happening. And you can see, I told you guys, after each move, the price pullback, it retraces to around 50% of that candle before a continuation. So this is the retracement. Retrace back to a 50% before we can get a continuation down. But let's see how long this pullback is going to happen. So the pullback is happening. Just waiting to see. While we wait, let me be checking other pairs if we can get a good opportunity to get into another trade. Remember, part of our trading plan will only take the maximum of 2 to 3 trades per day. Don't go over that. So this is our first trade. We took the trade on gold. If you're just joining us, took the sell on gold. We closed the 1 to 3 risk to reward. We risked 1,000. We made 3,000. So we're in a good position. So I'm just looking for another good opportunity. If you can get a good trade, you can close with a banger. So we're on US. Okay, we are on US oil, the 4-hour time frame. So I think this is a level we have created. This is a level we identify as a retest area. Let me mark that level. Sorry about that. So this is a retest area where we expect price to get back to. This is a retest area. And when you are drawing out your levels, you should account for as many wick as possible. So this was the level that was broken previously. So this was the level that was broken previously. We expect price to get back to that level. We'll scale down to the 1-hour time frame. You can see it clearly. So we expect price to retest that area and continue a bearish move down. Remember, the trend is still down. Let me use this. Remember, the trend is still down on US oil. Trend is still down. So this is a level that was broken. So we expect price to come back, retest that level. We expect the level not break above and continue down. So if you are looking to take a sell, you need to wait for price to get to this level and show us sign. When price gets to this level, you can scale down to your entry time frame, which I personally use the 15 minutes time frame. You can scale to the 15 minutes time frame and see if you can get a if you can get signs of weak rejections to get into a sell. But on trade like this, when price gets to that level, I usually use a sell stop order, and the reason is that I can only get triggered into that trade when price start moving down in my direction. So price can go up and create multiple weak rejection, but I won't be triggered into the trade because I can only be triggered when price, I set my sell stop below the candle, so that I can only get triggered when price start moving in my direction. So let's get back onto gold. So I think the exhaustion phase is over, or the pullback phase is over. We are now entering a continuation phase. So let me clear this out so that we'll make our charts more pronounced. Let's remove this. Okay. So the pushback phase is now over. We're entering the continuation phase. All we want to see is the break of that level. One price to break the level and continue down. Let's see if we can get that break. If price violate this level, there's a high probability we are coming down back to this level, because as you can see, there's no traffic here. Once we have this break, there's no any traffic, so the next stop will be down this level. But let's see if this level is going to hold. If this level holds, then we can start looking for evidence of failure to break and try to buy the market back up. Try to buy the market back up. Sorry about that. If the level holds, we can still buy the market back up to some of these highs. But the trend is down. We don't trade against the trend. All we are looking for is sales because the market is down. The only time we take a buy is when price starts showing us failure to break the level and the reversal in the overall trend of the market. But right now we're only looking for sales, and that's what you need to be doing. Never trade against the trend. When you make a plan, try to stick to it. It's not about having a trading plan. Have the trading plan and stick to it, because that's what's going to make the difference. That's what separates the winners from the losers. The losers get impulsive and take trades when they feel like it, but the winners only take trades which is in accordance with their trading plan and setups. And as I always recommend, have two pairs you trade. Don't trade everything on a chart. You want to be laser beam focused on two pairs. That's where you are going to make your money and see progress in your trading. I know a lot of traders that go on the charts looking at different pairs to trade. But if you focus on two pairs, you will understand it better and you will see much progress because you focus your energy on two items. I personally trade only two pairs. I'm trying to add the third one, which is US oil. I trade the gold and pound JPY. That's my top two pairs which I trade, and I'm trying to add the US oil to my chart. So I don't trade any other pair, and that's what you need to be doing. Try to be laser beam focused so that you will get more understanding on what you are trading. So that's all I trade. Once I come to my chart and I can identify any trade or high probability trade from those two pairs, I close my chart and wait later to check or walk away for the day. Don't go and check other currency pairs just to look for trade. I'm just speaking for myself. You can have your own, choose what works for you and stick to it. So we are currently having the break of that level. Remember, the trend is down. Trend is down. So there is a high chance we are continuing down to some of this level. Let me clear out this so that we'll simplify our charts. I don't want us to clutter our charts with a lot of instruments. So if this bearish momentum sustains, there's a high probability we are coming back down to this level, because this is a high volume period. There's a lot of volume in the market and momentum. So after this break, let's see if this candle closed below this level. If this current candle, this 1 hour candle closed below this level, there's a high chance we'll continue down. Remember, this is a 4 hour candle. When we scale down, The new candle is now open. This is the 1 hour candle. So if the candle manages to close below, there's a high chance we'll continue down. Let's see. So thank you guys for being on the live stream. I think we'll be ending the stream very soon. We trade for 2 hours each day. We trade 1 hour the pre-London Open and 1 hour the New York session. So I think our time is up. But it was amazing taking the live trade with you guys. We managed to bank a 1 to 3. It's a 3% on this account. It's a head start. So I just need let's say we just have to make 8%. So we made 3%, remaining 5%. No, yeah. Let's say remaining 5% on the account to scale up this account. So it was a good trade. Thank you guys for the likes and support. You can share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. We have this live stream every day. We share insight and tips. So I guess that's it for today. Thank you guys for the support once again. And see you guys next time.